Hi, it's Beck here from RhinoCo Technology with your weekly update. So you know that exciting thing I was telling you about? Well, this is what we're in, the new warehouse. So first question you always get asked is how quickly can you get my install done? Well, in 2020, we're committed to processing and delivering your orders faster than ever before. As mentioned in our first video this year, we've launched a brand new warehouse in Western Sydney. We've got more stock and more staff to help process your orders quicker. For Sydney Metro customers, we can do same-day delivery for orders placed before 10 a.m. For Melbourne, Brisbane, Canberra and Adelaide customers, we can generally do next business day delivery. Of course, don't forget about our 3 New South Wales trade outlets in Villawood, Haberfield and McGraths Hill, which are available for stock pickups. And if you're too busy on the tools during the week, those same Villawood and Haberfield stores are also open on Saturday mornings from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. In last week's update, I mentioned that we'll be running training sessions on VIP Vision's AI surveillance range. The AI surveillance cameras come in an Ultimate and Professional series. The features that are available, such as face recognition or perimeter protection, as well as a number of channels supported, is determined by the camera and recorder type you use. As such, we want to make sure that our customers quote the right product and solution that they're trying to achieve. In the description below this video, there is a link to register. If you're interested in attending a session, please fill out your details and we'll get back to you with firm dates. That's all for this week. Remember to like and subscribe to our videos to be notified about future updates. Bye for now.